sum up the total pay to make up the money that is supposed to pay in 2016, 2017, and 2017, 2018, which is 100 level and 200 level. And to get it, you put equal to, then you click this, you click plus sign, then you click this, you press enter. It will give you the summation of the two sessions. You do the summation. For total paid, you do the same thing. You put the formula equal to, go to the amount paid plus amount paid for this 200 level. You press enter. Amount paid equal to this plus amount paid here is for 3 sessions. For the third session plus this. Deleted it. Equals total paid 100 level didn't pay anything. Balance total pay to complete it, this session and this session and third session plus third session. This is the total pay with addition of this and this and this. Then for the balance, you subtract total paid from total pay equal to total pay minus total paid. That's the amount of outstanding. And with this procedure, you can use it to generate a debtor list for all these students. You just select all this cell, then you drag it down, so it will replicate for others. To know the total debtor list as at this particular period, you sum up. You select all the cells that you want to sum up, you click here, auto sum, and this is the amount. You will vote. So this is the amount of outstanding for this class now. For individual students, this is the amount of debt owing at the end of the third session. 100 by 311 now. This is the third session. This is their third section. So this video and this presentation will help you to generate the debtor list or to generate data for students to know the level of their payment at a glance and the level of their debt and outstanding at a particular period of time. You want to add this to, you select it, click auto sum. To do the rest, you just drag it to auto sum automatically. Just drag, or you do control copy. You select this, you do control copy, and you select all the cells, you paste. You do the same thing. Going to bold it, you bold. So that's for this particular session. That's how to generate debtor list for a particular period of time. Let's try another